Hey, what up, man? My YouTubers and my YouTubetters. Hey, man, as y'all see, man, I'm in the car, so they make a good old car vlog, you feel me? But, want to do something just a little kind of different, man. If you browse my channel, man, y'all see that I got a couple of them up on there anyway. But as you see, yes, I got that bowling bag, man. I got to go pre-bowl, man, because I got to work Wednesday, so I ain't gonna be able to bowl Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take y'all along that pre-bowl journey, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, a man of many talents. You heard me? So I'm gonna show y'all how to throw that backup ball. You heard me? For real. Last week I went pre-bowl, man. My first game threw a 300, man. This is no tap, man. And for those that don't know what no tap is, you know what I'm saying? You knock down 9 pins and you get a strike. A lot of people think that's easy. It ain't really easy. You're like, oh shoot, knock down 9 pins, I can do that. Hey man, try to do that consistently for 13 frames. Not games, frames though. 13 frames consistently of trying to knock down 9 pins. That means hitting your mark, hitting your target, and everything going right for 13 frames straight. It ain't easy, man. It ain't easy. But nevertheless, I did it, man. Shout out to my guy, my dude, Mr. Organic, aka 3 of them. You know what I'm saying? As y'all see, man, that's why I say that right there. That's why I say shout out to him, man, from the seed up. You know what I'm saying? Got that Johnson purple. Would be nice if I had a red one. You know what I'm saying? So it can match the whip. Or the whip match me, man. I don't know, man. But y'all, y'all know, man. Y'all can comment and tell me. You know what I'm saying? And also, man, shout out to Street Speed, man. Street Speed 717, man. Two of the top legendary YouTubers, man, right there, man. 2 of the top legendaries. You feel me? All in one spot on me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a legendary YouTuber myself, man. Just ain't out there quite yet. Just be patient though. Just be patient. It's coming, man. Hard work, man. Grind don't stop. You know what I'm saying? Nip hustle all my life. Grinding all my life. You know what I'm saying? Sacrifice, man. I'll run that down to you once I get there to where I need to be, man. On all the sacrifices that I have done and done did. Man, y'all couldn't even imagine. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, man, I ain't gonna babble on. When I pull up, man, and get the camera going again, I will be throwing some strikes for y'all. Yes, yo, shout out to Storm, man. Shout out to Storm. Bowling ball. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Say, man. Left hand. Squad. Hey, what's going on, man? What's happening, my YouTubers and my YouTubetters? This is JP Chevy, man. This is my 2020. You know what I'm saying? Red Hot Chili Peppers. Chevy Camaro 2SS. The IG name for y'all, though, if y'all want to follow me as well. IG name, I do have it now. Instagram, that is JP Chevy 7. That's lowercase j, lowercase p, _, Chevy 7. Yes, sir, and it's the same for TikTok at JP Chevy 7 for TikTok. But let's go ahead and get on to the video. Yes, sir. Make sure I'm recording, you feel me? Yes, sir, it's recording. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Sleep till Missed it by 9. Missed it by 9. Oh man. Make sure, okay, we got 10, we got 11 minutes on that. Alright, yeah. As y'all see, man,